What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David Brand New, back with another video for you. Today, we got another banger video for you guys. I mean, I'm on a roll at this point. Hit the like button for that. I don't know if you guys know this, but we actually have two bikes, all right? I got my bike, which is the custom boy over there. She's actually a female, Leticia. And then we got James, plain Jane's ordinary bike right here, guys. She has done nothing to the joint since she's had it for like 2 months, guys. Okay, look at it, stock, bare bones. But today, we're gonna take this joint to another level, guys. Because today, we're giving Jane's bike. Jane, do you have a name for your bike?
No, I'm gonna need some time for that one.
All right, today, we're gonna be giving Jane's bike a custom paint job, guys. Oh my God, I can't wait. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on the videos. I'm letting you guys know I got unlimited videos now. I'm not gonna even count at this point, guys. I keep adding to the list, okay? First thing we gotta do, we gotta disassemble this bike, all right? We're gonna break it down for anybody that's interested to see what this bike looks like without anything on it. Stay tuned to the end of the video, all right? Also, a running joke on this channel is that Jane is like some magical creature. She's not real, guys. She's just a voice that you guys hear on the video. But at the end of this series, we're gonna reveal the bike and we're gonna reveal Jane. Finally, guys, finally. All right, so stay tuned, hit that like button, hit them notifications. You don't wanna miss out. Let's get into the joint. All right, guys, we're about halfway through the disassembly. We got most of the stuff off. Now we're about to get into like the nitty gritties like that over there. I'm pretty scared. Hannah, you scared?
No.
So here's the problem that we ran into, guys. In order to take off the crankshaft, you need a special tool. It's called a puller tool. So we gotta go to a bike store and get that. So we gotta do that another day. But other than that, look at this. That's crazy. Bare bones. We just got the front tire. Let's go. For all the people that are trying to take off their front forks and replace them for suspension forks, we got a cool little trick that you guys can do. You get a screwdriver, put it right in between them, and you just turn. Boom. Easy. Easy. And it spins right off, guys. Look at it. Beauty. You guys ever wanted to know what the inside of the controller housing looks like? I'm gonna show you guys. Boom, look at that. This is the controller. This is what the brains of the operation, guys. Look at those connections. Scary, right? This is what your bike looks like, guys. You guys pay $8.99 for this. Like, what is that? Is that even a bike at this point, guys? I don't know. We really took our time with this one, guys. We tucked in all the wires, so all the wires are internally routed now, okay? We haven't taken apart anything at this point, okay? That's why you guys don't see any wires. So yeah, we made sure that everything that we're gonna paint is nice and free. I don't even know what I'm talking about. All right, so guys, look, we took our time with this one, all right? We're very detailed with the wiring. We made sure that we didn't touch any of the wires. So we just tucked them back into the bike. We took out the battery and just tucked the wires in the bike. No, don't even say that. We're voiding the warranty, forget it. Look, these are the tires, okay? We took out every single wire on the joint, okay? Literally. Lectric, if you're watching this, we love you, okay? Don't void the warranty, but we trying to customize the bike, okay? Look, no wires, guys. That's the only wire. That's the pedal assist sensor. We gotta wait to take off the cranks. So yeah, here's all this stuff here. Got the big fat tires, boom. With the motor, that's the front tire. We got the chain here, the derailleur. We got the front and rear brakes. We got the rear rack, and we got the freaking fenders and the fork. Man, come on. Nobody's doing this. We're committed to the cause. Okay, guys, we'll see you tomorrow.
Hey, gotta keep my head in the zone. Should've had me now, but not for long. Cause some people love it, now I'm on.